Assalamu alaikum. I'm Marie Jasad and I'm pitching for Utech Digital Education. Are you a parent who's looking for a platform that enhances the technological skills of your kids? Are you hoping for a better, cost effective solution to reduce the gap between your kid and the fast evolving world of technology? Don't worry, Utech is just the platform for you. We offer you a one of a kind solution where your kids can learn latest technology globally and easily. The courses offered by Utech are web development for kids, game development with Unity, graphic designing, advanced Python with data science, Pro video editing, JavaScript for kids, app development, robotics, and much more. Facilities provided by Utech are as follows. We offer online interactive sessions where your kid can learn from any part of the world live with the instructors. Utech is a cost-effective platform where we provide 10% discounts to our old students as well as the best performers. There is a sibling discounts as well as the scholarship package. We provide 24/7 chat support through Messenger, WhatsApp, email so that students may have their issues resolved in a timely manner. UTech also offers free counseling sessions on a weekly basis to their students that are enrolled so they may find their niche. We also provide scholarship programs for our kids as well as we also encourage our students to participate in international competition after the completion of the courses. Hope you like our pitch. For more information, you can visit our website utech-edu.com. Thank you for your time.